In this example, we're going to see how to work with the new BASGraphics.com graphics packages. So to start out with, we're going to set our project name. In this case, 445 Albert Street is the name of our project. We then create a new screen. Let's call it Test GFX. And we'll do an insert image. And we will go pick up one of those packages we just obtained, and we'll open the main housing, the box, and we can see our newly licensed graphic. If we went ahead and changed the name of the project, let's say to new name, then we won't be able to see or use those graphics while the project name does not match our license. So if I do insert image and try to use 444 Albert Street, it will tell me the license is not found. To fix that, I can go back and change my name back, and then when I come back in, I'll see the graphics again. You can have any number of licensed BAS graphics packages on your machine, and you can use them throughout the day by just changing the name of your project to match the license.